In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate a site on Google Sites fast and easy. This process is straightforward if you follow along step by step. Moving your site from one Google account to another is essentially a copy and share procedure, and I'm here to walk you through it. First, let's head over to Google Sites. Go ahead and open your browser, enter Google Sites, and once you've navigated there, you'll see a list of sites you've previously created. Now simply select the site you want to migrate. Just click on the site and it will open up for you. Next, look for the three dots usually found in the top right corner of the screen. This opens up a menu with more options. Click on this and you'll see an option that says Make a Copy. This step is crucial as it creates a duplicate of your current site, so you're essentially backing it up before migrating. Select Make a Copy and a small window will pop up. Hit OK to confirm that you want to make this copy. Now that we have successfully duplicated the site, the next step is to head over to Google Drive. This is where your site lives when you're not editing it. In Google Drive, locate the copied version of your website. It should be easy to find if you arranged your files by date. Just look for the most recent one. Once you find it, click to select it. For those wanting to migrate the site to another Google account, possibly a new owner, this part is for you. Right-click on the copied site in Google Drive. From the drop-down menu, choose Share. In the sharing settings, you'll be able to add the new owner's email address. This is key. Make sure you have the correct email address of the person who will be taking over the site. When you add them, you'll want to change their role to Editor. This gives the new owner full access to edit the site, making it theirs to control. It's an important detail to ensure that all permissions are correctly set, so nothing is accidentally left behind. Lastly, once you've added the email and set the permissions, click Send. This sends an invitation to the new owner, allowing them to access and take ownership of the site. And there you have it. You've successfully migrated your site on Google Sites. Remember, ensuring all steps are done correctly will help in avoiding any confusion or loss of data during the process. Always double-check email addresses and permissions as a best practice. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to migrate a site on Google Sites quickly and effortlessly. Feel free to explore the other features Google Sites offers to make the most of your web building experience.